Hello, my adorable friends, and welcome to another number corner. All right, let's get started. We have lots of learning to do today, so let's get our brains warmed up by singing our days of the week. Ready? Sing with me. 1, 2, 3. Days of the week. 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 Oh, I forgot to snap. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Sorry about the forgetful snapping earlier. That was my bad. My goodness, Mrs. Sae-Wong probably needs some more coffee. But all right, today's a new day. Yesterday was Tuesday. So if yesterday was Tuesday, what's today? What comes after Tuesday? Well, there's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. You got it. Let's turn our Wednesday card around. What number is that? You bet it's the number 14, which means it is the 14th day of the month. Say the month with me. April. Good. Let's put the whole day together. Make sure you're saying this out loud with me at home. Are you ready? Today is Wednesday, April 14th, 2021. Awesome. We need to go update our date card, but first let's practice what month April is in the year. So remember, it goes January, February, March, April. So April is the 4th month. It is the 14th day. Let's update our date card. So roll on over. So we're going to leave that 4 right where it is for the month. We are going to change the date to the 14th. We're going to leave that year as 21. So everything we write the date on today will be 4-14-21. Now, if you want to write the date in the longer version, remember April, when we abbreviate it or we make it shorter, we write APR period. We change the date to the 14th. And that full year is 2021. Okay? Let's practice writing the date on our calendar grid observation chart. Okay, I'm going to make myself short here. Shout out the date. Today is 4-14-21. Good. And let's look at today's shape. What shape is that? Let me turn it like that. Does that look a little more familiar? You're right. It's a trapezoid. Everybody shout it out. Trapezoid. Good. But it's also another shape. Let's count how many sides there are. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do we call a shape with 4 sides? You got it. Oh my gosh, everybody at home shouting it out. I'm proud of you. It is also a quadrilateral. Remember, quad means 4, so quadrilateral means a 4-sided shape. Oh my gosh, kiss your super smart brains for remembering that. Mwah, mwah. But instead of writing quadrilateral, we are going to write trapezoid today because it is a specific shape. Do you notice how even if I turn it, no matter how I turn it, it's the same shape? It looked a little funny sideways, and that's why sometimes we have to play around with our shape cards, but it definitely is that trapezoid. So let's write it down. Trapezoid. Okay, let's put the date card away so I don't fold up the date card. I have our paper copy right here. So remember, this month, not only are we focusing on the shape, but we're focusing on whether it is symmetrical. Remember, when we fold the shape in half, does that give us 2 equal parts? So let's fold the shape in half. Okay, so I took our shape, I took our trapezoid and folded it in half. When I unfold it, do I have 2 equal pieces? Do I have 2 equal parts to the one whole? You bet, they are identical. So when I fold it into exactly 2, yes, it's symmetrical. What if I fold it in half again? So here's 1, here's 2 folds. When we unfold it, do I have 4 equal parts? Excuse me. No, the top parts are smaller than the bottom parts, right? So if I fold it into 4, it is not symmetrical. But when we fold it into half, when we fold it into 2 equal parts, 1 half, 2 halves are symmetrical. So we're going to say, yep, if we fold it in exactly 2, 1 half of each part of the shape is exactly symmetrical. And so we'll write yes over here. Awesome. Thanks for your help. All right, friends, moving right along. Yesterday, when I saw your adorable faces, it was day 132 in school. Holy moly. Let's get to where this isn't so shiny. What comes after 132, though? Let's add another single day. Well, let's count. We have 100, 110, 120, 130. Now let's count on by ones. 131, 132, 133. You got it. So today is day 133. Gonna erase this. Okay, let's break it down. We have a 1 in our hundreds column, so that gives us our one group of 100. A 3 in our tens column, which gives us 3 completed 10 frames. And then that 3 in our ones column means we have just the 1, 2, 3 days all by themselves. So let's put it all back together. So we take our 100 plus our 3 tens for 30 plus our 3 ones to give us 133. Oh my goodness, these days are just flying by. I'm not okay with it. All right, last thing we're doing today is collecting some popsicle sticks. Let me spin our spinner. Okay, how many are we collecting today? You got it. Let's pull out 3 sticks. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to drop those in our week 3 collection pouch. I'm going to write 1, 2, 3. But look, I have one group of 5 collected already. Then I have 3 up here and 3 down here. So let's move some of these 3 up to this group to give us another grouping of 5. So if I have 3, 1, 2, 3, how many more do I need to add to this group to get to 5? So we're at 3, 4, 5. So we need to add 2 more. So I'm going to take away 2, 1, 2, and I'm going to add them up here. So I'm going to add 1, 2. So I have my one group of 5, my second group of 5, and then 1 by itself. So let's count by 5s. 5, 10, and now we need to count on by 1. 11. Good. So far, we have collected 11 popsicle sticks this week. 2 more days of collecting before we get to talk about which week had the most, which week had the least, which number is greater, which number is less than. Oh my gosh, all the things. You know, Mrs. Sae-Wong gets excited about math talk. But for now, that's it for today, my friends. I will see you all later at our class meeting and in our other videos. Bye, friends.